Ready? Hi, hello everyone. Do you know what day it is? Well, if you don't, you'll be in hot water with your significant other or your folks. Yeah, it's right. They'll be very cross that you haven't bought them a plushie like this thing here, or candy. Yes, lots and lots of candy. Cards. Aye. Here's some greeting cards here. These are very popular with the kiddos here in America. We like to go in, the kiddos here, they like to go in, kind of in schools, you know. Aye. Oh, it's a good fun, you know, but you always feel bad when you don't get one. But don't worry. You can always buy one yourself. If you're alone, don't worry. I'm here. You can always go to my channel and feel like somebody cares about you. Aye, that's right. I care about you. I love you too. I love you. You love me. That's right. Love is love and love me above all else, you know. Well, really you should love your significant other more, actually. But anyway, okay, have a wonderful day. Loads of kisses. Yay.